lever.
Yeah, while we're still little.
Lil Sam Cat.
Woo! Now that was an entrance.
I have gravy in my hair.
Not anymore. Oh, this is yours.
Hey, Lil Sam, let's start the show with a game.
I don't do games.
Yeah, you do. It's in your contract.
Party of the first part, no dressing rooms, photo approval. Must play games. Fine.
Yay, games! Okay, first, take a good, long look at me.
Done.
Now spin around and look at me again. Can you tell me the two things that are different?
Let's see. 1, you're wearing ridiculous glasses. And 2, you've turned into a mermaid.
Wow, you're good! Now see if you can find all 8 things that are different in this Sam and Cat clip.
This is not so fun.
Yes, it is! It's the vice president again.
Ignore it. This is not so fun.
Yes, it is! It's Jerry Trainer again.
Ignore it.
Hey, little cat. Now it's time to play one of my games.
Is it gonna hurt?
No.
Then yay!
You just go over there and see how many hard-boiled eggs you can catch.
I can do that. I have arms.
Ready?
Huh. Those eggs weren't hard-boiled.
Yeah, you're right. But these are.
We're here live from the Sam and Cat Studio Dumpsters. And it's time now for an egg-sucking competition. Gentlemen, your eggs await you. So, all you gotta do is fill these tubes to the very top with these eggs using only your mouths. Do you think you can handle that?
I think I can.
Yeah,
I'll try.
It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. Are you ready, Cameron?
I'm totally ready.
Are you ready, Cyrus?
Yes, I am.
Okay, then go!
And they're all done. They're all over the floor.
I'm juggling still.
Everywhere, all over the floor. That's just great.
What you been up to, little cat?
Taking pictures of myself so I can get my face in an actual episode of Sam and Cat.
Oh, yeah? How many did you take?
About 3,020.
Well, the bad news is they already picked one this week. But hey, maybe you'll get it next time.
Okay, back to snapping selfies.
Hey, Haley from Providence Village, Texas.
You've been framed on Sam and Cat.
Nice pick, Haley. Now see it in the show.
Here are the instructions from my mom.
Okay, Butler's homework.
And now, the Sam and Cat disgusting moment of the week.
I'm rolling now, to do it big, living life. They wish they did, gotta go for yours.
Ugh, I don't think I'll ever eat an egg again.
Oh, didn't bother me. Eggs.
Ew. Pull the lever, little